Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can add magic bubble effect to our video on InShot. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my InShot, and first of all, I'm going to open up the project I have just created. I'm going to go to the video section and I'm going to open up this project. Okay, and I'm going to add the magic bubble effect to this video. We can go to the effect menu and then we can select the AI effect. In this AI effect, you can choose the magic category. Then here we'll be able to apply the magic bubble to our video. Okay, just tap on that, and as you can see that the bubble effect has been added to my video, and I'm going to make it align with the video, and this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's all the way to add magic bubble effect to our video on InShot. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!